Alright, today our quick skill is solutions to equations. So when we're trying to find a solution to an equation, we're going to look for a point that's going to make the equation true. And by true, we mean that both sides are going to be equal. So our first problem here, we have, is the point 1, 3 a solution to the equation? Now, if it is a solution to the equation, that means that both sides here are going to be the same, which means both sides are going to equal 14. Now, in order to figure out if it's a solution, I need to use substitution. So I'm going to look at my ordered pair, and I know that my ordered pair is made of an x and then a y coordinate, with my x being the first one. So my x value is 1, my y value is 3. So in order to figure out if this is a solution, I need to use substitution and substitute in for those variables. So in place of my x value, I'm going to put 1, so 5 times 1. And then in place of my y value, I'm going to put 3, because I've got 1, 3. So I have 3 times 3. Now, if that equals 14, that would make this equation true. So let's go ahead and use our order of operations to find out if this is true. Our order of operations says we have to do our multiplication first. 5 times 1 is 5. 3 times 3 is 9. Now that we've done our multiplication, we can move on to our addition. 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 does equal 14, so that means that this is true. So when we're being asked, is this point a solution to the equation, in this case we can say yes, it is a solution because it makes both sides equal. Now let's go ahead and look at our second one. On our second problem, we need to find out, is the point -3, 6 a solution to the equation? Now once again, I'm going to use my ordered pair, my x and y coordinate, in order to substitute in here. So in place of my y, I can see that I've got my 6 here. So we've got 6 equals -3 times my x value, which is -3, minus 3. So now I need to just simplify to find out if both sides are equal. -3 times -3 is +9. +9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 6 equals 6. So yes, this one is also a solution to the equation. If I got something else, like let's say I was trying the point -3 and 7. And so I'm going to try this. I'm going to substitute in 7. Does that equal -3 times -3 minus 3? -3 times -3 is +9 minus 3. 7 equals 6. This one is not true, which would mean that this ordered pair right here, that coordinate, is not part of that solution. So we've got 4 more problems here on this page, and then you can go ahead and practice the IXL skill I-9, Algebra 1 I-9, and that'll get you a little bit of practice on that skill.